Look at that suspension right here. I mean, you've seen this running, but let me show you all how good the suspension system is. Look at that. And you gotta put some good force to, you know, wiggle it. Runs really good. Look at the back. The motors are extremely good for the price that you pay. Looks exactly like a Cybertruck, honestly. And you see this? These are made out of the steel, okay? So it's not rubber. I mean, it's not a plastic. It can actually reflect the light. There it goes. Well, anyways, it's pretty good. So this is the back of it. And the side view. And there you go. That's how the inside looks. I'm going to show you up for the front. Alright. I hope you all like this. This was a gift. I need another one for my boys. Hopefully the seller sees this video review and sends me one for free. And y'all, I recommend this 100%.
Atas titik,